My name is Kevin Howell. I'm the Director for Enterprise Device Architecture for Sharp Healthcare. Sharp Healthcare is San Diego's largest private employer. We have over 19,000 employees, affiliated physicians, and volunteers.
So Sharp Healthcare currently has about 14,000 desktops, and we're responsible for the infrastructure and the software and the maintaining and standardizing of the devices throughout the enterprise.
The reason we looked at user virtualization and configuration management was our Windows 7 migration.
Before AppSense, we found a lot of challenges with desktop performance. We had a lot of end user and clinicians and physicians that were a little sour about how long it took for the device to log on or reboot. Since AppSense came on board, we found out there's a lot of performance gains in those areas because we leverage the tools that it has available to us to make it a better performing desktop. AppSense brings us that extra benefit with the desktop performance and the clinician experience and the user experience. We're getting a lot of positive feedback from the end users, the clinicians, the physicians, and even our own IT staff are seeing satisfaction from the devices now with Windows 7 and using AppSense. We had a project several years ago to remove the administrator rights from all the PCs, which in turn made it a lot more difficult for us to manage the devices. With Application Manager, now we can control on the back end what websites we can elevate in order for that installation to occur. That user now goes to the website, they can now install it, and it will actually work for them using Application Manager.
AppSense has been a great partner to work with. Our future plans for utilizing AppSense and Environment Manager is to roll it out through Citrix in addition to Windows 7.
Another big key initiative here at Sharp Healthcare is mobility. Mobile Now and Data Now are products that will allow for the mobile space to actually flourish. Really impressed and excited about AppSense. I think there's so much benefit and so much that it can do for the desktops and for an environment. If there's anything that IT can do to lessen that time the patient has in the waiting room, it becomes a patient satisfaction thing. It becomes important to Sharp Healthcare as a whole. AppSense is a product that should be looked at in every organization because it brings a lot more than what's on the surface. We've just scratched the surface with the product itself, and we can do a lot more.